First up this evening, the mother of the American woman whose body was found in bushes near Long Hill, St. James 2 Saturdays ago, says she's angry with the Jamaican government for what happened to her daughter.
In an exclusive interview with TVJ News on Tuesday, Andrea Gibbon says she's still seeking answers as to why her daughter, 26-year-old Desiree Gibbon, was murdered on the island she loved. TVJ's Lanagay Franklin reports.
Andrea Gibbon, in an emotional interview with TVJ News after Tuesday's autopsy on the body of her daughter Desiree Gibbon, held back little in the way of blame for her daughter's demise. The result of the autopsy is expected on Monday, after which the family plans to return the body to the United States for burial. But holding back the tears which any mother would shed at the loss she is facing, Miss Gibbon did not mince words.
I'm angry at the circumstances. I'm angry at your government. Compared to New York, it is definitely different. And I can't understand, being such a tourist area, how you have so many murders here.
The police say no suspect has been identified in her daughter's murder, even though interviews are being conducted. It's understood that several CCTV footage of areas Miss Gibbon visited are being examined.
She was summoned from her hotel room on Thursday night after Thanksgiving by text or phone call. Her cell phones are missing. She had both an iPhone from back home, and she had purchased herself a small local area Jamaican phone. She left the hotel and she told the security guard, "I'll be right back." And she walked out of the gate and to the right and down just a short way, because the streets are extremely narrow for people to double park or pull over. And she walked to the car and she was never heard or seen from again.
She says the death of her daughter is a big loss to the family, as she was loved by many.
So I'm still not understanding, what did she do to somebody here that would have brought me to this doilies funeral parlor? There's no reason for what happened to her. There's no reason. When she was found, she had the hotel key in her pocket. She didn't have ID. She didn't have money. She wasn't going clubbing because she would not go out and expect anybody to pay her way. Desiree would pay your way. You wouldn't pay her way.
She is hoping her daughter's death will be used as a catalyst for change in Jamaica. Lanagay Franklin, TVJ News.